Helpdesk software versus customer support ticketing tools. Which one is better for service efficiency? Most businesses get this wrong by thinking Helpdesk software and ticketing tools are the same. The surprising truth is that while both aim to improve customer support, they serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can significantly boost service efficiency. Helpdesk software like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or HubSpot Service Hub provides a full suite of customer service features. It manages multiple communication channels, including email, chat, phone, and social media, in one unified interface. For example, a support team can respond to live chat inquiries, assign tasks, and track customer satisfaction metrics all from a single dashboard. Helpdesk software excels at providing a 360-degree view of customer interactions and improving response consistency. Customer support ticketing tools, such as Jira Service Management or Keiko, focus specifically on managing individual support requests. Each ticket tracks the issue from creation to resolution, ensuring no request is lost or overlooked. For instance, a team can manage internal employee requests, prioritize urgent tickets, and monitor resolution times. Ticketing tools excel at task organization, accountability, and workflow management. The key difference is scope versus focus. Helpdesk software handles broader customer engagement across channels, while ticketing tools focus on managing and resolving individual requests efficiently. Most organizations benefit from combining both ticketing tools and be integrated within Helpdesk systems to ensure every customer query is tracked, prioritized, and resolved promptly. The takeaway is simple. If your goal is multi-channel support and overall service visibility, Helpdesk software is essential. If your goal is structured management of individual requests with clear accountability, customer support ticketing tools are the better choice. The surprising truth is that using both together can maximize efficiency, reducing response times, improving customer satisfaction, and giving your support team the clarity and tools they need to excel.